Selenium course in Chennai, Aimore Technologies, Chennai. What level of Python proficiency is necessary for Selenium test automation learning? Introduction to Python in test automation. Python is a widely adopted programming language, especially in Selenium automation testing. Open source, simple syntax, and community support make it ideal for testing. Selenium and Python offer career growth and competitive earning potential. Python Zen and test automation best practices. Test script automation in Python follows the principles of Python Zen, a set of best practices for code development. The following principles ensure the clarity, readability, and maintainability of automated test scripts, which leads to effective collaboration and good code quality. Pyrest framework for comprehensive testing. The Pyrest framework is a popular choice for test automation, covering unit testing, integration, end-to-end, and functional testing. Pyrest facilitates concurrent testing, code coverage, and integration with other frameworks. Command line functionality in test automation. Command line functionality is crucial in test automation, as testing frameworks often have consoles for running and searching tests. Python scalability, solid structure, grammar, and diverse tool ecosystem provide users of all levels with a powerful platform for test automation. Strategies for effective test automation. With Python, efficient test automation involves breaking down large projects into manageable tasks, following a consistent methodology for generating inputs, executing code, capturing results, and comparing expected versus actual outcomes. Python enables automated activities, scalability, and code integrity.